Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I'd like to explain about what is a foreign key in DBMS. It's a very important key in DBMS. Before going to that, a small request. So those who are watching new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and for latest videos and for latest updates, press on that bell icon also. Now let us see the concept of foreign key. Okay, see here. First of all, let us see the definition of foreign key. It is used to establish a relationship between two tables. The purpose of a foreign key is it is used to establish a relationship between two tables. Keep this point in mind. And next one, a foreign key is a field or collection of fields in one table that refers to primary key in another table. Okay, now let us see the example. By that we can understand the concept very clearly. The purpose of a foreign key is it establish a relation between two tables. Okay, and second one is the foreign key is a field in one table and that refers primary key in another table. Now let us see this example. By that you can understand the concept very clearly. Okay, see here. Here I have taken two tables. One is student table. Okay, this is student table, and the second one is activity table. See here, that means this student table contains the information regarding only students. That means student ID, student name, student address, and student phone number. And what about this activity? Suppose in a school some activities are performed. This table contains only the information about activities, name of the activity, on which date that activity is held, and ID number. Okay, now let us see how to apply a foreign key for these two tables. See here, if we take the activity table, here a name of the activities are there. That is, the name of the activity is dance, on which date it is held, 5th July, and who did this activity means ID number 2. I have given here ID number 2. Okay, right. So now I want to know the details, complete details of who is this ID number 2. So for that purpose I am referring this ID number 2 in this table. Why? Because here in this student table I have the complete details of the student. Suppose student ID number 2 means I want, so this ID number 2 means the complete detail means that is in this table. Okay, so Ramya, so address Bangalore, and the phone number is this one. That means here in this activity table, so I have given only ID number. So the activity dance is performing which is on July 5th. I want to know the details of the candidate, the student whose ID number is 002. For that I am referring this ID number from this table. So that's why this is called as the foreign key. This is called as the foreign key. And one more point you have to remember is, for every table, so we need a primary key. So for this table I am taking this is the primary key. So what is the conditions for primary key? It should not contain null values and it must contain unique values. Yes, here 001, 002, 003. Yes, here all unique values are there and there is no one null values. So for this table, student table, this is I am taking as a primary key. Okay, and the same primary key So I am given here in activity table. Okay, so here in activity table this is called as the primary key, and the same here in student table that is called as the, here it is foreign key, and the same here it is called as the primary key. Once again we'll see the definition. It is used to establish relationship between two tables. Yes, this is the foreign key, and it is establishing relationship between this table and this table. Now let us see the second point. Foreign key is a field. See here, this field we are calling as a foreign key. We can take two fields as foreign key, but here we have taken only ID number. Now let us see the definition. Foreign key is a field. Yes, foreign key. This foreign key is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. Yes, this foreign key referring primary key in this table. This is the second point. Okay, foreign key is a field. Yes, this foreign key is a field in one table and that refers primary key in another table. This is the primary key in student table. Okay, and we can also call as the student table here also called as parent table, and this activity table is also called as child table. Okay, this is called as the parent table and this is called as the child table. Okay, right. So while we are dealing with the foreign key, so we have to remember 2 points majorly. So what is the first one? Means records cannot be inserted into child table if corresponding record in the parent table does not exist. So the meaning of this statement is, yes, this is the child table. Suppose you observe here only 3 records are there, 1 2 3. Here also 2 1 3. 3 records are there. We cannot add a record here. For example, here I'm adding 4th record, for example 0 0 4, like this I'm adding the 4th record, but here 4th record is not there. You observe here only 1 2 3 is there, but if I add the 4th record here, if I want to know that 4th record details from this table, means here no details are there. That's why records, observe here, records cannot be inserted in child table, in this table, if corresponding record in the parent table does not exist. If the record here does not exist, means we should not add that record in this table. So that is the meaning of this statement. So suppose if you are adding one record here, means that record should be exist in this student table. Then only we can add the record here. If the record is not there here, means we can't add the record here in child table. That is the meaning of this statement. So then what is the second one? A record of a parent table cannot be deleted. See here, record of a parent table, this is the parent table, cannot be deleted if corresponding record in the child table actually exists. That means this is the parent table, we should not delete the record here if this particular record is in this table. For example, rule number ID number 3 is there, that record is here. Suppose if I have deleted here, means how can I see the details of 003 here? That's why we should not delete the record in the parent table if that record is actually exist in the child table. If you are deleting here, means here also you have to delete. Okay, that is the meaning of this one. Record of a parent table, yes, one record is we are taking here 003, cannot be deleted if corresponding record in the child table actually exists. That means here 003 is, here also it is existing. That's why we should not delete in the parent table. Okay, so this is all about a foreign key in DBMS. If you have any doubts or any queries regarding this foreign key, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.